Your car battery is dead and you need to charge it. Don't worry, this step-by-step guide will help you charge your battery safely and get you back on the road in no time. Tools and preparation. Before you start, gather these essentials: a car battery charger, gloves, goggles, and an extension cord if needed. Check your car's manual to identify your battery type and ensure your charger is compatible. Always work in a well-ventilated area to avoid hydrogen gas buildup and keep the charger away from sparks or open flames. Disconnecting the battery. If you're unsure, disconnecting the battery adds extra safety. Start with the negative black cable, then the positive red cable. This reduces the risk of electric shock and short circuits. If there's corrosion on the battery terminals, clean it using a mix of baking soda and water. If you're not disconnecting the battery, ensure the charger is connected securely. Connecting the charger. Now, connect the charger. Attach the positive clamp to the positive terminal, then the negative clamp to the negative terminal. Ensure the clamps are securely attached and keep them from touching each other to avoid sparks. Position the charger in a safe, cool area. Setting the charger. Set the charger to the right mode. If your charger offers multiple settings, choose the slow charge for maintaining battery health or a faster mode if you're in a hurry. Smart chargers often auto-adjust and shut off once the battery is fully charged. For manual chargers, monitor the progress to prevent overcharging. Charging times typically range from 4 to 24 hours, depending on the battery type and charger settings. Charging process. The charging process may take several hours, so be patient. If you're using a smart charger, it will automatically stop when the battery is fully charged. If you're using a manual charger, check the voltage periodically with a voltmeter to avoid overcharging. Many modern chargers have built-in diagnostics that will alert you when the battery is ready. Finishing up and reconnecting the battery. Once charging is complete, unplug the charger first, then remove the clamps, negative first, then positive. If you disconnected the battery, reconnect the cables in reverse order, positive first, then negative. Finally, check the battery voltage to confirm it's fully charged. Your car should start smoothly if everything is set correctly. Extra tips for safe charging. For safety, always charge in a well-ventilated area and keep the charger away from the battery to avoid sparks. Charging at a lower amperage helps protect the battery's lifespan. Smart chargers prevent overcharging, but if you're using a manual one, stay vigilant to avoid damage. Overcharging is a common cause of battery failure.